What's up, my lovely cupcakes? I hope you're all having a fantastic and awesome day. An awesome day. And today, part 3. Sorry, so many parts.
Next part 4, the last part, will be like kind of long, and we'll be doing fidget trading.
Like actual.
Yeah,
this time.
like fidget trading, mochi trading, and
Squishmallow
trading.
All in one, though.
All in one. Yeah, so it'll be like 30 minutes long.
So, but we can't post that.
Yes, you can. You can post that.
On my computer, you can't.
Oh.
14, higher than 13, you can't post it. So we're literally on the edge on the last part.
Okay, come on.
Okay, sorry. So
it won't be that long.
Yeah, it won't be
We'll
that long.
probably have like fidget trading part.
Yeah, fidget trading parts. Probably like maybe 3. I don't know. Depends on what we feel like. So first, I pick first.
Okay.
So I pick this one. I love this one. So I pick this cute one.
I pick this one.
Okay, I'm picking you.
I'm picking you.
And then I pick you. How many do you have?
2.
2. So now I need to eliminate one. So I don't.
No, you don't. Oh, wait, yes. We'll get rid of that one. Okay.
So
now, since we finished that so quickly, we are going to start our fidget trading first.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in this part, we're not going to be showing our faces because
you guys need to see it.
Yeah.
So first up, I'm going to be scamming Tempe. Yes.
Hey.
Just for the first 2, and then we can move on to like the actual. Okay, so
Don't scare me for all my fidgets.
I'm not. Fidgets for sale. Fidgets for sale. Okay, I'm trading this big legendary dog squishy.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, so
we're gonna try that again. Okay, try again.
Trading legendary dog squishy. Going once. Oh, okay.
Give it to me.
Hey, don't touch my squishy. Oh my god. Like, you gotta offer for it first. And it's legendary, so give me at least 5 good ones.
Okay, I'll give you this really nice orgy squishy, this this mini needle, this texture thingy, and
That dinosaur?
actually no, I like that dinosaur. And then this monkey.
Can you add one more thing? This is really special to me.
This unicorn monkey.
Okay. Here you go. Yay! Ha 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 ha. It was actually common.
I don't care. It's still really good.
Okay. Now on to Tempe scamming me.
Trading legendary Rubik's Cube, going once, going twice.
Oh my god. Me.
Okay,
please.
What's yours?
It's legendary?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll trade something good. Something good. I have, let me look through my pile real quick. I don't have a lot, so I'll trade you this legendary, where'd it go? My gosh, wait, where'd it go? Do you remember the egg I had? Like the purple egg that I got?
No, you can't scam.
Okay, never mind that.
What do you have to offer?
Hold on, I'm trying to find something that's good to offer for you. What about a squishy legendary carrot?
That's not legendary.
Yes, it is. You can check it.
Add.
What about some monkey noodles?
Add one more thing.
One more thing?
1 or 2 more things.
Oh, legendary surprise ball.
Whatever. No, scam you.
No.
Okay. Now we're trading fairly.
Okay. Trading legendary.
No, we can't say legendary.
But it is legendary. Starfish! Going once.
No, nothing's legendary.
Never mind that. We're going to try again. Trading starfish. Mochi. Okay.
This surprise egg.
Surprise egg. Can you add one more thing?
Oh.
I'll add one more thing. You add one more thing.
No.
This,
I'm not adding.
this very much.
This country thing.
Homemade? Okay. Here you go.
Yay. Okay. My turn. Trading, looking for Will, trading this puppet, going once, going twice.
I will give. I have this. What is this called again?
Marble mesh.
This marble mesh to offer.
This is a puppet. That's a marble and mesh. Do you not know the fidgets? Bro, you're gonna have to ask.
Homemade puppet.
You're so under. This is a freaking puppet.
Yeah, and this is a homemade puppet.
That doesn't count.
Listen.
Yes, still add.
A surprise egg. Are you scamming me or something?
No, I'm actually not. Like, puppets are actually like good.
Can you just accept it already? Like, I already added the food things.
This is a freaking puppet.
Yeah, and this is a homemade puppet, a marble
Okay,
mesh, and a
okay.
surprise egg.
First of all, a homemade puppet is not the equivalent of an actual puppet. Just so you know, so you're gonna have to add.
Play-Doh.
What the flip is that?
Play-Doh.
No, I'm gonna use mine. No, I'm taking that back. Your turn.
Okay. Trading this squishmallow. Okay, what do you have to offer?
I'll offer this. I don't really like this group. I like it, but trade it. I'll offer this right.
Oh my gosh, yes. Thank
Yay!
you.
Love this one.
I have two big ones now.
Okay, so I'm sleeping with that one, and you can sleep with that one.
Okay. I'm still. Okay. Your turn.
Okay. Trading. Dinosaur squishy going once, going twice.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
Okay. I have a really good offer for you. What is it actually called? Because I don't
Mini
know.
needle.
A banana squishy and 2 bouncy balls.
Dude.
Yeah.
You scammed me with the mini needle. Whatever, I still like it. I know you guys are gonna kill me for this, but listen. It was already broken, and so I got really angry about it, so I broke it more. But I can scam people with it on the bright side. Yeah, and then I got 2 bouncy balls. I like them.
Okay.
Yes, I could get it. Okay. What should I trade now?
Trading
you're-
puppet.
Me!
Okay.
I'll offer you this broken puppet and this broken monkey noodle and this monkey noodle and then this bounce ball.
Do you know how valuable a puppet is?
Yeah.
Just add one more thing that's good.
I'll add this texture.
Okay.
Yay!
Give me your stuff.
I love this puppet.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, no more skimming. Okay?
Okay. I never scammed you.
I know, I'm just saying no more skimming.
Texture.
I like that a lot. Okay, so what should I trade now? I don't want to do this. I don't think I am, but I am. Should I trade it? Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna trade this infinity cube. Infinity cubes are really good. Like these are in the fidget world. These are pretty legendary. Not legendary, but just like you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Okay, trading infinity cube on one
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
My offer is a lot, okay? Because I really want this. Let me just get all my stuff together.
This is really good. Oh, by
I
the
know,
way,
that's why I'm
half of
adding-
my fidgets my people have gave to me. Carl gave this to me.
Okay. I'm just getting all my squish.
I'm a broke girl. Na, 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 na.
Okay, I have a bunch of good stuff, and if you don't like any, I'll add a monkey noodle, a broken poppet, a tangle, a mini bunny, a mochi, a marble mesh, and a dinosaur squishy with open holes so it pops out.
That is a really good offer, so I'm gonna accept.
Thank you. Yay. Oh, I've never touched infinity cubes before. This is cool.
Oh, the puppets! Wahahaha! Okay, your turn.
Kye? Kye? Temperance Robinson Kye?
Okay, your turn.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, if you hear random popping noises, that's this. I've been playing with it the whole entire time.
Okay. Trading.
Me!
Okay.
I'll trade you this stretchy banana, this marble mesh, and this stuff.
Can you add? I really like this.
Yeah. This bouncy ball, this laying down hat machine, and this.
Okay. Accept.
Yay! This is like a color changing needle. That's why I overpaid for it. I know you like that dog. I don't really like it.
Oh.
Child. Okay, it's my turn to trade something. I think I'm gonna trade stretchy carrot.
Oh my gosh.
Trading stretchy carrot and mochi. Going once, going twice. Okay, what's your offer?
A stretchy banana
Okay.
and polar bear.
I'm trading my bear for another bear and another stretchy. But I really like that offer and I like the banana more. So I'm gonna accept. Yay!
Carrot.
I love that one.
Carrot. Trading squid.
Me!
Okay. What do you have to offer? I really like mini squishmallows because
if I trade this, will you add something?
yeah.
Okay.
I'll add a homemade. Or I'll add something. I'll add another thing. A puppet and a bouncy ball.
I really like this, but I'm gonna accept.
The one you got from Claire's today.
I love that one.
Ha ha ha. Oh, tell me this is getting too long. Okay.
That part.
Part 4.